Hello guys, I hope you're doing fine. Me, I'm doing great. Yeah, so today I'm going to make egg toaster. Yes, this is what we're going to make. So welcome to Lizzie Brown. Yeah, and after that we're going to do fashion vlog. Yeah, this is how we are moving. Yeah, so let's begin. Hey guys, I finished cooking my uh, toast bread and I really enjoyed it. So far I've eaten one. I just came from work. I'm just there, but I said I must cook with you guys. This is how I love shooting now. So I want to wash the utensils and then I'm going to go now. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. And please subscribe. Please subscribe. Please, please. Yeah, so let's continue. Not clip here, but please I'll put full video how I did my hair. So if you want to learn hair, you can go and watch. Yeah, so let's begin. I'm gonna brush my hair, but I'll leave this section, this front section, because I want my hair like this in the middle. So I'm going to take this section like this. Because I had put oil before, so no need of putting again. My hair has growth. Oh my god, too much growth. So I'm going to put this one, bladder. I'm gonna tie it here. You see, I've done updo. Yes, you see. So, and then I'm gonna use loose hair. This is artificial hair. Let me, and then I will. Yes, like that, you see. And then I will put this one, this band. Yes. Put everything inside. So I'm going to roll my hair. Let me off. I'm going to roll this one. Yes. I want it to be like a donut. I'm distributing all over, and then I will roll it. I will roll. I'm rolling underneath this, under the you see. So I have rolled it up. Yes. So I'll take clips. I'll take pins to hold. Yeah, I'm just distributing. I need it to be crazy. And then I'll clip it also. You see, to be firm, not to move. You see? And to add. Yes. So that's there. So I'm going to put this one clip-on extensions. I want to put clip-on extension. Yes. And also this side. Yes. And then I want to do in the middle part. This one. I'll put this one on. $230. I've put it. I don't want too much drama, that's why I want it to be just simple. I'm using this one for stronghold, just to make them, at least they mix together, for stronghold purpose. Yes, I've just finished my hair. I don't know, this one I do like this. Let me see. I look extra. I just want to look simple, I think. Let me see. Yes, I want to look simple. Or we do curls. I'm thinking we do curls. No, I'll do it next time. Let me see. No. Let me do straight. Straight is okay. Decent and neat. Yeah. So I want to do a get ready with me video. Yes, I want to do a get ready with me video. Just know how to style this dress I'm wearing. That's so I just finished my hair and I want to do a little vlog for get ready with me. Yes, what I will wear with this dress. Yes, I will insert the video here, the way it looks without anything here. So I decided to wear this kind of earrings. Yes, I bought, yes, this one I bought online. Yeah. So, and also I want to show you guys, I bought, yeah, this one cross, this one, it simplifies Psalms 91. Yeah, it says no weapon formed against Lizzie shall prosper. Yeah, because for me, I love God. I know by now you should know that. Yes, and what we are going to wear, I'm going to wear this belt. Yeah, this belt, I'm going to stay with this belt. Yes. I'm going to wear these green shoes. Yeah, my long time green shoes. Yeah, these are the shoes I'm going to wear. And also I'm going to dress it up with black belt. Yes, I'm going also to dress it with red shoes. Yeah, for me, one thing I like combining colors. Yeah, I like combining colors. I don't like one neutral color. Like I like flashy things. I like mixing color. Yeah, that's my way of fashion. Maybe with time, maybe I will outgrow. I don't know about it. Yeah, but because I believe with time people changes, people learn new things, people do new things. Yeah, this is life. Yeah, so sometimes it's good to accept people who they are. For me, I accept people who they are because sometimes God change people in different phases of life. Maybe this time He wants you to learn something about, yeah, spiritually, about someone, about situation. Maybe you are the one to help someone else in that situation, you know. So for me, I believe everything goes with own phases, and once you are in it, you will grow and you will do major than what you expect. Yeah, because also for me, I've not reached wherever I'm going, but if I see my long-term video and now it's something different, you know. And also I wish maybe before I could post my videos, because sometimes I used to edit and I didn't post, yeah, my funny videos. I wish I could do it, yeah, when I started, yeah. But also I had another channel which I closed, which is there. I've not closed, it's there. I was doing also hair, yeah, little like one time like this, but with this one I decided to be consistent because, yeah, it's my new path and I want it, and it's something I like doing. Yeah, so yes, so that's all I can say. Yeah, that's all I can say. Just bye bye. Yeah, and take care of yourself. Your life is important. Just know no matter you're going through, God will overcome. God will come through, you know. Nobody, even us, we undergo too much. But at the end of the day, I must take camera and talk. I must take camera, I do my makeup. I must take camera, you know. Because for me, once I'm going somewhere, I'm doing something. I just finished. I don't know why my hair keep on lifting here. I think I'll spray it later. Yeah, so I just finished my fashion vlog. I didn't know I will continue. Yeah, when you love doing something, you want to do. So I style again with, I add my black shoes. Let me show. I add these shoes. It was not in the plan here, but I had to. Yeah. So yes, and I just played with colors. Yeah. Also styling is just like a game. You do playing. Yeah. So that's what I did. Yes, and I really love the results. Yes, I really love the results. Yeah. So yeah, that's all for today. Yeah, that's all for today. I don't have much. Yeah, sometimes I'll be doing short clips, sometimes I'll be doing full clip. Yeah, yeah, so it will depend also, because also doing this fashion blog is not easy. It's not easy. Yes, it's not easy. Yeah, I really love the series. Yeah, we are pushing on. We are pushing on. Yeah, and we leave the rest to God. Yeah. Yes.